Alright, got the impact gun with a 19mm socket and put it into reverse. This is regular thread rotation. And that's off. One of the things is when you use a... Well, let me get this out of there. But the next step is going to be to use a flywheel puller, one of these puppies. These, I think, sometimes are reverse rotation, but I don't know. I remember being tricked last time I took this apart. It appears to be... I also kind of stripped it a little bit last time because I didn't put it in all the way. So that makes it harder every time. Yeah, this is reverse. These are reverse threads. So you go counterclockwise to screw this tight. Now I'm just going to kind of do my best here. I got a, what is this, 3/4 inch wrench. So I'm going to set this down like this. Don't know if you can see, but I'm just tightening this in the puller. I'm making sure the center of the flywheel puller is not going to touch too soon. So I want to make sure I get it screwed in there really good. And I'm just kind of holding the outer flywheel. Alright, so now this is in there pretty good, maybe 10 threads in. So this one I turn the center clockwise, get it snug. Then I grab 2 different wrenches, one here for the center and one for the outside, and then I'm just going to break that by screwing in the inside thread, going this way. I'm going to set this down. Alright, so screw that in. Sometimes I give it a little tap on the flywheel. There it goes. Alright. Now when I screwed this center in, it was connected to this flywheel, and that pushes on the center point and forces the whole flywheel off. It's a flywheel puller. So now it should just be held on by magnets. So this is magnetic. It's the flywheel. It's also got the center lobe shaft area, so I'm going to pull this flywheel thing out here. Undo this going clockwise, counterclockwise. I don't know. Clockwise. Yes, clockwise. To take this out. I just went clockwise again. This is reverse, so you go the opposite way. Alright, now I got my flywheel off. Just set that over there. Now I can get to the points, which is this flathead, which I don't have around. Flathead, alright. So that's the points. Actually, what I want to mess with is behind that. Oh no, it's right here. So I want to take this off. This is the, oh geez, I'm just drawing a blank. I don't know if it's called a condenser or what, but it's whatever's bad on my bike, because I see arcing between these points all the time. So this is the new, I think it's called a condenser, that I got to put in, and it looks like it goes this way. And actually, I don't think I have to pull the whole, I'm going to call it ignition. I don't know what it's called, but looks like I don't have to pull that. everything's a Phillips. So you just kind of gotta finagle the screws. Set that down, hope it comes out. I don't think you can see it. Oh, that's a flat blade. Alright, so this is also a flat blade. Anyways, I'm going to stop recording because this is difficult to work on. But I'm going to take that screw out right there in the center. And then I'm also going to take off that screw right there. And I'm going to put in these points. And I'm going to put in this, I'm going to call it the condenser, but I forget what it's called. To do that, I'm going to solder it in. There's about 3 wires going to it. And looks like they're all connected to the same spot, so I'm just going to do the same thing. And then the points have a wire going to them up there. They're also, I'm gonna say grounded. I don't know if that's the right term, but connected to the one of the coils. All right.